Today I want to share with you my favorite recipe, a traditional dessert made from yucca root. When steamed, it becomes dense and moist, and if you add coconut milk, it's very delicious. Hi everyone, if you are my subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Bori and welcome to my channel. If you would like to support me, please subscribe and thank you. Let me show you how to make it. Add water into the big pot and place the steam rack. If you have a steam basket, you can use that instead of steam rack. Note that the water should be below the steam rack so that when the water is boiling, it will not wash away all the yucca root's flavor. We are going to place the yucca root on the rack and we are going to steam it for 20 minutes, setting up the heat on medium to high. Once the water is boiling, we will turn it down to low. Now that the steaming time is up for 20 minutes, we need to check it to make sure that it's properly cooked. We're going to use the chopstick and then poke it, any one of them. If it goes through, you could tell that now it's properly cooked. Just poke every one of them. So it's cooked. We're going to turn off the heat. Then remove this from the pot. To let it cool down. We're going to let this cool down completely so that we can cut it to small pieces. The steamed yucca roots has been cut into slices, as you can see. So now it's time to make sweet coconut milk. We are going to pour coconut milk into a small pan. Turn on the heat on medium-high heat. So we are going to add extra cornstarch and water mixture. 1/3 teaspoon cornstarch and 2 scoops of 1/3 teaspoon water. And again, slowly add into the coconut milk, stirring at the same time. Make sure that it's not too thickening. It's perfect this time. One last ingredient that you will need to add to this coconut milk is green onion. Give it a quick mix and turn off the heat. Just like that. I wish you could smell the aroma of coconut milk and green onion. Perfect combination for this steamed yucca root. We're going to add this coconut milk on top of the yucca root. There you have it. Steamed yucca root with sweet coconut milk. Looks incredible. If this video helped you out, please share it with your families and friends. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next upload. I am excited to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.